You already know it's Mr. Icy looking out fresh. Alright now. Let me say this. Yo asking me, Mr. Icy, how old are you? On your page it says you're 18. Do I look like I'm 18? I am 13 years old. Do I look like I'm 18? I'm sexy. You get it? Subscribe up there. Subscribe up there. Subscribe up there.